Oh, it's alright. It would be fun.
I blame Brendan for this back here. Alright. I bet this is his fault. And then did you try and quiet her?
Did you do that? Did you do that?
Hang on, I want to plug it in.
Don't plug it in, because I'm about to hook it up backwards.
Well, there's no fun in
You'll
not
fry everything.
trying out. Yeah, don't do that.
Yeah.
You don't need this thing. Come on.
Yeah, that looks right. Great polarity for flux cord, but you mix it for the other one. I remember now. All right.
So you're confident.
No. That's not the fun.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and let you plug this in.
Okay. I think it'll be fine.
All right, I'm plugging it in.
Yeah, just do it. Okay. Oh, money.
You're in.
All right. Gentlemen. Anyone have any brake clean before I start?
Yeah. In my Jeep. Okay.
Can we spray it on it? It's covered in power steering fluid. I've welded the power steering fluid.
You don't
before,
have any in
so-
here, Ian?
No, I couldn't find. Can you see any? I usually bring a can or two.
I know, but I don't see any.
Nope. I'm hot.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get
All right, who wants to beer out of the fridge?
Are you the wheel every weekend guy?
Yeah.
All right, man.
We'll burn you.
How's that?
Yeah, that's good.
Don't worry, it's covered in oil, so it helps set it. Helps set the weld.
It's on fire. Someone blow it out. I got no lungs on it. It's still on fire?
Yeah, it's still on fire.
Hey. Pour some pellet to cut it out.
Brewskis on it?
Get it?
Why is it on fire?
Yeah, you put it out.
Why is it on fire?
Give me another beer. Hear me.
No, he just... hold on.
Good?
No, it fell.
Shit.
No, you're not on it at all.
You know I'm welding.
Feels like so.
How it go, please? Fucking bridge to Narnia, this shit.
Would it be easier, Ian, if you pulled it?
Yeah.
Can we just pull the drive shaft?
Yeah, can someone give me a